How to create cooking videos without filming. Creating engaging cooking videos without even stepping into the kitchen. Sounds unreal, but with the power of InVideo AI, it's absolutely possible. Whether you're a food blogger, nutritionist, or someone who just loves to share recipes online, you no longer need to film every step or invest in expensive equipment. InVideo AI lets you create high-quality, mouth-watering cooking videos by combining recipe text, AI narration, and stunning visuals, all automatically. All you have to do is enter the text of your recipe or upload a blog link. InVideo's AI will analyze the content and generate a professional-looking cooking video complete with food-related stock footage, cooking-themed animations, and a step-by-step breakdown. It even matches the visuals to each step of the recipe and adds music or a voiceover, either human-sounding AI or your own recording. You can personalize it with your brand's colors, logo, and tone. Add calorie info, nutritional facts, and cooking tips using dynamic text layers and overlays. This makes your content stand out, especially on platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Other platforms like Pictory or Animoto are great too, but InVideo AI's specialized features for auto-script to video, conversion and culinary stock assets really put it ahead. Plus, you save hours of prep, filming, and editing time. So, if you're looking to produce viral cooking content without ever lifting a camera, this is your solution. Click the link in the description to try InVideo AI and start creating delicious recipe videos the smart way.